So it makes that cliff look real big.
No, I'm just with the wave or whatever to the left.
Nope. Little face, warm up belly a little bit.
Then we went up to Mando. That
Right,
mandatory waterfall.
Just point it, dude.
Yeah, from there. Hit that one.
Point it! Woohoo!
Sick bird. Hit that giant. Yeah, just carry some speed.
He's headed that way.
I can't go beyond this cliff and not do something cool.
Oh! Yeah, buddy. He's like, shit. Demo binding, man.
Oh man. What's up, Greg?
He did not shy
He just went right off that rock.
That was like
Wow.
30-footer, dude.
He's good.
Good, how are you?
Good.
He's good. Don't worry.
That's why we call it
Okay.
I got the whole thing on film. That was a huck, dude. I wouldn't fuck that right now. He was fucking rolling the windows down for a second there.
Oh, sorry. He's got all his legs working. He's good.
Alright.
He's moving. Might have had the wind knocked out. It was a slow recovery there.
I respect that.
Oh, that's good.